What's up guys, it's Jude here, and in this video I want to talk about the Remitano swap feature. So what I want to show you is how to trade with the Remitano swap feature. I've done lots of videos on Remitano. The links are always in the description. So Remitano is the biggest P2P exchange in Nigeria, and they have been retaining this position for quite a long time. So without further ado, I just want to show you my screen and show you how to use the Remitano swap feature. So to get started, you have to log in, go to Remitano and log in, or register if you don't have an account. Now, if you don't have an account, there is a link in the description. It is my Remitano link. You should use that link to sign up. Now, the benefits of using my link is that Remitano have what they call the distributor program, which means that if you have used my link to sign up and you have an issue using Remitano, you can chat me up directly on Remitano, and I will attend to you, right? That is the benefit of using my link to sign up. So if you're signed up, the next thing you do is to click on login to login. So I'm going to click on sign in with email. Now, when you click on login with Remitano, there is no password. It means you have to go to your email to confirm your login, which is a way Remitano uses to beef up their security. So I am logged on now, and over here is a swap feature, which is what I want to talk about. So, but first, let me show you what I have in my Remitano wallet. I have done a total overview of Remitano. You should check out that video. The link is in the description. So here I have about 270,000 naira in total, and most of them are in my Ethereum wallet, and I have 0.157 Ethereum and $100 USDT. Now I want to accumulate more Ethereum. All right, maybe I'll do another video to explain this, because I believe that from Ethereum trajectory, Ethereum is going to do really well in the coming future. So what it is saying is that I have USDT. Now I want Ethereum, right? I can easily use a swap feature here to swap my USDT to Ethereum. Let me do that right away so you see what I mean. So I have I'll just click on swap here. It will take me straight to the swap session. So you have the market price, you have your price. I'll come back and explain this price. Okay, then I'll have to select the number of USDT I want to swap. Say I want to swap out of my, now I'm selecting market. All right, I want to swap say $50 out of my 100 USDT. If I'm using the market price, so I have to choose Ethereum here because it's Ethereum that I want. If I'm using the market price, it's going to give me 0.02146 Ethereum, and I click on swap. So this will give me this. I click on confirm. So it says here your swap order is being processed. If I refresh this, executed. So yeah, it is executed. So if I go back to my wallet now, dashboard wallet, so you see that I have 0.179 Ethereum and 50 USDT. So this is how you do the swap, and Remitano gives you about up to 17 coins you can swap. Now, so what is the benefit of swapping, or why do I need to swap? So let me give you a scenario. You want to trade Theta USDT against Ethereum, all right? And Ethereum, you have Ethereum now. You bought one Ethereum, okay? And Ethereum rose to $3,000, and when it goes to $3,000, you know it's going to fall, right? As it's falling right now, you can quickly swap that Ethereum that is worth 3,000 USDT to USDT. So you're having 3,000 USDT. Now Ethereum starts falling. Right now Ethereum's at around $2,300, right? And you believe it's going to get to $2,000. When it gets to $2,000, you believe that when it gets to $2,000, from your analysis, that it's going to go up from there. All right, so when it gets to $2,000, you swap that your 3,000 USDT back to Ethereum. In this case, you'll now be having 1.5 ETH. Now the next time Ethereum gets to $3,000 for one Ethereum, instead of you having $3,000 worth of Ethereum, you'll be having 4,500 ETH. So that way you are actually increasing the number of ETH you have, and the total value of your portfolio. So that is one way of using the swap feature to quickly trade on Remitano platform. Now, when I was showing you how to swap, I showed you where they wrote market price and your price. I want to go back there and show you how you can actually, because you might be sleeping when the price pumps or dumps. So you can actually use that feature at your price to say, I want to swap at this price. So let's say Ethereum is currently at $2,300 right now, and I want to use my price. So if I click your price here and I want to swap USDT, I'll select Theta. I want to swap it for Ethereum. So I come here and select Ethereum. Now, the current price is $2,318. Now, if I believe that Ethereum is going to get to $2,000 and I want to buy more Ethereum at $2,000, it means that I'm going to swap my remaining 50 Theta to Ethereum, and I can change my price now to 2,000. All right. So when the price falls down, when the price of Ethereum falls down to $2,000, it's going to automatically swap at that price. So when that happens, I can then say, okay, do another swap from Ethereum now to Theta if I believe that it's going to get to $3,000 and it's going to drop again. So this way, I can keep on swapping it. And you can just set my price after I've done my analysis, set my price and just have it. So that is that on the Remitano swap feature. I hope you enjoyed the video, and watch out for more videos on how to use other aspects of Remitano. In one of my previous videos, I talked about 6 ways to earn passive income, or to put your idle cryptocurrency to work to earn more cryptos for you. And I saw your comments in the comment section, and some of you told me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to use each of these 6 ways. So watch out for those videos. I'm going to be doing it really soon. So now, if you enjoy the content of this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and click on that bell icon to get notified when we release awesome videos like this. So I'll see you in the next video.